In today's video, we're going to be looking at how we can quickly search for a line of text on a website or on our screen. This also works in word processing applications like Word or WordPad, so be sure to use it there too. All we need to do is press the Control key and the F key to bring up the Find box. Alternatively, we can press the F3 key too, and it'll bring up the same thing. And as you see, I search the word payment and it shows up on our website clear as day. And if I need to find more instances, I can press these buttons, which will usually scroll us down to more instances of the word. However, it's not currently accessible. So if I type the word cloud, I can go down and view the other instances of the word cloud on our site. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.